The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch date is official. We've now got all of the specs, the design including live photos, and you can even reserve the phone today. Now let me know in the comments who out there is getting the Z Fold 5, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future. So first story of the day, the Samsung Unpacked event has officially been announced, and it's being held on the 26th of July at 7 AM Eastern Time. Now Samsung have also opened up the reservation pages where you can go ahead and reserve your Z Fold 5 or your Flip for free. There's also no commitment to buy and you'll get $50 off. Now you can access the page by clicking the link down in the description below or the card in the top right corner, and if you're even considering the Z Fold 5, then it is worth doing. Next up, we've got all of the leaked renders thanks to WinFuture, and this shows us the Z Fold 5 in all its glory, and it also shows us it's going to be available in beige black or a new blue color option. Now in terms of design, you can see there's no major changes looking at it, and the biggest change is the camera module where it's been made a little bit smaller, then the LED flash has been moved to the top right. Ahmed Quaidar also tweeted the full specs, and he confirms it's going to be 10 grams lighter. We of course get improvements to the performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but then all of the other specs remain pretty similar to the Fold 4, including the battery as well as the fast charge speeds. Now of course, while we've got the same battery capacity as the predecessor, we will have better performance thanks to increased efficiency with the new chipset, and according to Ahmed, we're going to get up to 20 hours of video playback and 72 hours of songs. Now of course, we're also getting the new water drop style hinge that finally allows the Fold 5 to fold completely flat, but while early rumors stated that it would be water and dust resistant, new reports advise that it's again only going to be IPX8 water resistant. Now we've already had these images of the Z Fold 5 prototype in the wild, and you can be certain that this is in fact true. Official marketing renders were previously released, and one of my videos was actually taken down by Samsung for showing them, so there's no doubt that this is correct. But it's pretty much the same as a lot of phones this year. Samsung have worked on improving the phone as much as possible without redesigning the whole thing, and there's also reports of a $100 price drop, which would be great. It's probably not going to be worth upgrading from the Fold 4, but for anyone with an older Fold or getting their first Fold, then it's definitely going to be a great device. Now with the launch on the 26th in South Korea, it's not too long until we get the official information from Samsung, but as soon as anything else comes in, I'll be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.